Today, a big incident took place in Punjab's Jalandhar, where an Aam Aadmi Party leader was shot down by unidentified suspects. Law and order definitely is under scanner. We have seen incidents in the past also, and today it was shocking when Aam Aadmi Party's own leader was shot down in Jalandhar. We have Shiromani Akali Dal's Bikram Majitia with us. Sir, how do you react to this? Today, Aam Aadmi Party's leader, Lucky Oberoi, was shot down in Jalandhar.
It's a very unfortunate incident. My condolences with the family, but this is a clear something staring at our face, that what is Punjab becoming? It's become a total gangland, a state which has a long border with Pakistan, where ISI has been always wanting to foment trouble, and people from the ruling party, people who are very, very close, are seen on a daily basis with the Chief Minister and Kejriwal are not safe. Can you imagine the plight of the common man? Can you imagine the plight of other people? Every day there is an extortion call. Every day there is a killing. Not even one day goes back without killing. And the situation has come to such a low that the Honorable Punjab and Haryana High Court has stepped in. There are daily hearings happening on literally every second day about law and order, where the DGP and the government of Aam Aadmi Party is being questioned that where is the law and order? People are being shot dead right outside the SSP's office. People are being gone. People are entering their houses and shooting people dead. So it is happening because Kejriwal sitting in Delhi wants to run the show in Punjab.
So ever since you have come out on bail, there's one thing which is focusing. That is, you say that Punjab needs a permanent DGP. What is the logic behind?
Yeah, I don't say it. This Honorable Supreme Court says it. And I'm only stressing on the fact that when you have a temporary DGP in Gaurav Yadav, his whole agenda is to stay in the chair. And to stay in the chair, he has to keep Arvind Kejriwal and Bhagwant Mann happy. Now, to keep them happy, you're compromising law and order. But if you have a DGP who knows that for 2 years, minimum 2 years, no government can change me, I have to deliver law and order, save Punjab to the people, he will then start focusing on that and not want to please Mr. Kejriwal or Bhagwant Mann. And that's why you have compromising on security, you're compromising, and anybody who raises this issue is booked on a frivolous case. What is happening with the media people? Anybody, any common citizen, the Punjab Kesari group, everybody is put on one case or the other. They don't even talk about it. Punjab, all is well. All is not well. All is in the well here.
So yesterday you were with the DGP for 2 hours almost with your core committee and all. Did you take up the law and order issue over there?
Absolutely. I was only passionate about, because, every 3 crore people of Punjab cannot go to the DGP's office and say what they are feeling today. But people are scared. People are leaving the state. There's no investment coming here. Businessman doesn't want to go buy a new car because he feels as soon as he walks out with a fancy car in the showroom, he'll get a call. People go to the police with a complaint. Nothing happens. And after 5 days, the guy is shot dead. He gets a call. You've been to the cops. Now what will happen? Now either pay up or you will be shot dead. So I conveyed that in no uncertain terms. I know they may book me in another case, that why did he come here and say all this? But I have taken it, it's my duty. I am not bothered. They can book us in 20 other cases, but the voice of Punjab needs to reach the office of the Chief Minister and the DGP's office.
So this was Shiromani Akali Dal leader Bikram Majitia, who clearly said that the incident of Jalandhar reveals that the law and order is in total collapse in Punjab, as the opposition has been saying that back-to-back incidents have really brought things under scanner, and they feel that Punjab needs a temporary, not a temporary, but a permanent DGP now. With camera person Aman Gupta from Chandigarh, this is Asim Basi, India Today.